Have you ever tried to work with somebody that doesn't understand what you want? It's pretty difficult, yeah. You know, when you're saying, I want this because, and they're like, but you don't need that. We don't think you need that. Well, as manufacturing, we want things for a certain reason. And the beauty of this is that we have people that understand it.
Our owner who did design it, he's been working in this field in manufacturing his whole life. And he understands materials, production, engineering, and all aspects of it. So he's basically covered all our needs. We weren't able to track to see where parts were in the shop. We were always flying blind. We have about 18 PCs on our shop floor. At any given point, if someone asks me a question, I can go into the system and answer it for them. I can tell them, hey, when they can't find a part, where was it last received, what location it was sitting at. I wasn't able to do that with any of the older systems.
The amount of information that I can get out of it. For example, we get our customer gives us schedules once a week. And so what I do is I run a certain set of reports before, a certain set of reports afterwards, and I know exactly what the customer is changing.
My dashboard, and then I could pick what I like to see right away quick. Here it actually tells me which brake press it's at, the mount, how many orders, everything in full detail.
Looking at just the dashboard, you can see, you know, if things are in line or out of line for capacity for your late work orders, and you can see where there might be traffic accidents that are about to happen, and you can react before they occur.
I don't have to worry about data anymore. I can concentrate on the shop floor stuff, because that's where business is made, right? It's made on the shop floor. It's not made in running reports in offices and stuff like that, where this gives me that information, so I don't have to worry about what's coming at me. I can just see it.
I run the laser and brake press department, so I check my gateway nest, past dues, my earn hours.
You had to go to somebody to get information, right? Or you had to have somebody run queries for you, right? There wasn't a lot of information that was like 100% readily available.
We're not managing different softwares, or we don't have to go into 3 different softwares to do our job. It's all into one software. We can plan our manning and everything inside OnRamp. Prior to that, we were doing it in a spreadsheet.
You'd have to memorize a lot of numbers with OnRamp. It's all worded, like nest scheduling, gateway, payroll.
I know what's going on at the plant based on all the morning reports I get in the morning. I know what state the plant's in before I even walk into the door. Didn't have that ability before.
So basically within 2 minutes of looking at my phone, I know how we did yesterday. And then when I get here, I just backs it up with the dashboards. And so it just makes it really easy to see what's going on.
Log on, you could check your past dues, your hours, late, gateway, payroll, everything. Probably not, because you wouldn't know what you're working on. People would do whatever they'd want, and you wouldn't get the right things to your customer. I would probably have to be on the floor, work harder, run around like crazy.
Right off the bat, we'd have to go back to running spreadsheets, running the company from lists, which is pretty archaic. Our paper consumption would probably go through the roof, because it's amazing. Like we have so much digital information that it's so easily found.
If OnRamp disappeared, we would be lost here, and I basically quit my job.